Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a smoothie and I'm showing you because I have some exciting news to share with you. So for the past 3 weeks I have been doing intermittent fasting. That means in my case I don't have anything to eat until round about 12 o'clock or noon. So I usually use the fruits I have in my kitchen to make a smoothie. This morning I have bananas, red and black grapes. I have a few pieces of mangoes, a kiwi, Granny Smith apple, and I also have strawberries. And I'm gonna put all of that in the blender. So I'm transferring everything to the blender. So I have transferred everything to the blender and I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon in there. All right. And now I'm putting a half a cup of milk, and I'm using coconut milk in this case, coconut silk milk. Sometimes I use almond and sometimes I use oatmeal milk, nothing dairy. So I have everything in the blender, so I'm gonna blend. All right, I am going to be drinking this, and then my next meal is going to be dinner around about 4 or 5 o'clock, or whatever time I eat. I try not to eat too late. Then my dinner will consist of all the good things I've been cooking on my channel. I have meat and fish 2 or 3 times a week, and I have cut down on the carbohydrates. I eat a lot of vegetables. I will eat salmon. I will eat chicken breast and any kind of meat, but I have cut down on my carbohydrates significantly. And guess what, guys? I have lost 10 pounds in 3 weeks. I thought I'd do this because I wanted to share with you. So anybody who is out there who needs to get some weight off, I know we put on a lot of weight because of the pandemic. So if you need to do that, go on this fast. And it's not that you're skipping a day. People do that too, but mine is eating my first meal at noon, which is my smoothie made of fruit and milk, not dairy milk, plant-based milk. And I have this, and dinner will be something, a lot of vegetables, some fish or chicken, and that will be it. I do eat carbs, but I don't eat as much as I used to. So it's not that I have cut out carb, but I try to limit carb. So go out there and try. I also walk around in my house because it's still chilly up here in the Midwest. So I don't walk outside, but I try to walk around in my house as much as I possibly can. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment if you like this. Yes, guys, 10 pounds in 3 weeks from my smoothie. 10 pounds, 10 solid pounds in 3 weeks. So you can go to my channel, look at my bean-based dishes, look at everything that I cook, because that's what I eat, genuinely eat. So please check it out.